Welcome back, everyone. Happy 4th of July. And we're going to awaken something that hasn't run since 1999. Let's do it. But first, we got a bunch of shit to do. Stay tuned. Don't touch that dial, folks. We're just getting started. At the end of this video, you're actually going to hear this thing start up. I should have power to this damn coil. If everything's still good as far as electronics, I'm using used shit. Ooh, we got power. Very nice. We got mosquitoes too. I'll start it. Again. Beautiful. Again. Back in the front, but there you go, guys. Happy 4th of July. Who needs fireworks when you got no exhaust? Peace.